Drivin Ivan here with a 2002 Eurovan. Look how cool this thing is. Oh my God, we're at the beach. And this is the perfect car for camping. Look at this thing. The owner named it Ben, I can tell you that. And Ben is now over 20. Ben can drink alcohol now. Ben's 21. So anyway, look at this thing. Look how cool it is. It's got everything you need. In fact, I could tell you, I just rinsed my feet off with it. How about that? This is an amazing van. Look at this. First, let's look at the front because look at this. Oh my God. And you know, everybody says how messy my car always is. So I like to see people with similar cars because, you know, I kind of live out of my car when I'm traveling. I don't really, but I love it. And look at this. We're at the beach. It's automatic, so it's easy to drive. It's got a 6-cylinder engine. That's got plenty of power for a Volkswagen. Driving the front wheels, and it's glorious, comfortable. And then you want to see comfort. Look, dual airbags, safety built in, but you want to see comfort. Come on. Look how nice this is. It smells of incense and patchouli. That's a song. It's called The Year of the Cat. So look that up. In fact, you can see me playing that song on SoundCloud, I think it is. I play a version of that, so you can hear it. But anyway, we're talking about cars now. So back to that. 2 seats here. Camper top, Westphalia camper top. And look at that. Look how cool that is. Oh my God. This is the coolest thing. But wait, there's more. There's more. We're going to walk around back, show you what it looks like from the back. There you go. Oh my God. Hey, Ben. Look at that. Thank you, Jesus. All right. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. You can. Some people can sleep back here. This is the beautiful. Look, my kid in the 70s. This is the thing we had in the 70s. So I love that. That's just. It's got locking cabinets. It's got storage everywhere. It's got sleeping everywhere. Pop top, as I said. This thing. I mean, the Eurovan is awesome. I saw the California, they call it. And they still make them in Europe. I've got a video coming. If you haven't seen the video yet, I don't think I posted it yet, but I will post it soon. As soon as I post this, I'll post the California video right after it. So they'll be right together. And this is cool as heck. I met a family traveling around Europe, Germany, I believe it was, in their Euro van. They call it the California now. It was blue and white. So cool. It's really just a modern version of this one. But this is only 21 years old. It's better than the Volkswagen bus, which I went camping in, my uncle's, 1974. Those were slow. They couldn't get out of their own way. This one is actually a vehicle you could drive. You can live in it. You can camp in it. And I think the owner of this one uses it for all it's worth. And I like to see that. So there you go. Search any car and Drivin Ivan, and smash that like button and subscribe if you already haven't. Check me out on TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan. Inc. video also. Watch me play all the instruments and some of my car collection and musical instrument collection on my Free Your Mind music video. And heck, watch my Hotel California video too, where I play all the instruments. Why not? Just search Ivan Cats and any car. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.